Hi friends, how are you? Let's study one more video in public speaking in English language. So far we have studied about simple present tense and simple past tense, but today we are going to study future tense. I am very pleased to welcome you to this class. I am Sandeep Varma and I have been teaching English from last 25 years. Now let us see where we have to use future tense. Friends, future tense is used to describe a future action, whatever you are going to do in future. Second thing is it is used to predict the things like it will rain today or they will win the match. At the third place, it is used to make a promise. I will give you a party or I will complete this work in 2 days. So you can see where you have to use the simple future tense. But how to use it, we'll see it now. Okay, let's learn simple future tense. Like present and past tense, it has also stative and dynamic both kinds of verbs. First, we'll see linking verbs or stative verbs and how to form them. So let's study simple sentences in future tense. We'll start from singular and plural. I, we. I will be, we will be. You will be, singular, you will be, plural. He will be, she will be, it will be, and they will be. These are the structures of simple future tense and they are about linking verbs. So, how to form a sentence? Let's see once again. I will be happy to help you. We will be happy to help you. You will be happy to help you. In both singular and plural, he will be happy to help you. She will be happy to help you. And it will be very nice to meet you. And they will be happy to help you. These are the structures of linking verbs in simple future tense, and you can make more and more sentences using this structure. I hope you have understood it very well. Now we'll move onwards. Dynamic or action verbs. How to use action verbs in simple future tense? It's very easy because here there is no problem of s or es. Just you have to put subject, then will or shall, and then you have to put root verb of the verb or the first form of the verb. So friends, one more thing I would like to make it clear that whether you use shall or will, it makes no difference. There are some rules, but here in spoken English, you can take benefit of that. You can speak either will or shall in beginning. In detail, we will understand where you can use shall or will. But for now, you can freely use shall or will anywhere. Okay. So we'll form now action verbs using simple future tense. Okay. I will play. We will play. You will play, singular. You will play, plural. He will play. She will play. It will play. A student will play. Raj will play. Simran will play. They will play, plural. The students will play. So here either singular or plural, first person, second person or third person, only you have to use one thing, will or shall, and play or any root verb or the first form of the verb. It's very simple. I will sing, I will dance, I will read, anything you can say and you can make sentences. So isn't it very simple to learn simple future tense? Friends, I am very much sure that you have understood it very well, that how to form simple future tense and how to use these structures in your sentences. So I hope you will make more and more sentences using these structures and will make your spoken English very much strong. And you will increase definitely your confidence by doing these exercises. So make more and more sentences of different structures and be confident. I will be helping you always. Signing off now, Sandeep Varma.